Hello there, what's up? My name is Nirav. You're watching Daily MotoVlogs DNB. Today it's 28th August 2020. I hope it's visible. It's 6:30. It's raining outside. So as you can see from my previous vlogs and my Insta stories as well, that I'm back in Mumbai for a few days, I guess. I'm maybe going flying back to Dublin soon. But as I'm here, I have some work to do, so that's the reason I'm going out for my personal work. And I'm taking my car, like I was taking my car previously to many places because it was raining and all, and I had to carry my laptop. So that's the reason I was taking my car. But then later on I didn't have to take my car, and that's the reason I was like, okay, I can take my Activa outside because I can even do my daily observation videos again. And that's the reason, there's just to say that I'm back again with the daily observation videos. So I'm going to places like in the city itself for making for my work actually, and I'm making the daily observation videos. So it's the start again with the daily observation series, and I'm really happy. I don't know, I'm really excited right now, as much as you are obviously, because many of them had DM'd me on Instagram, like in the previous. The previous time when I came back to Mumbai in November, at that time many of them messaged me, even now many of them messaged me that I hope you're coming back with the daily observation videos because everyone loved it. And so yes, again this is a new start of the series. I had done 10 daily observation videos before, and this is going to be the 11th one, and so on. So I'm really excited to doing that. I am going to do it on my Activa. I sold my Honda CBR, my sports bike, before going to Dublin. That's really sad. I really miss it. But sooner or later I'm gonna take a new sports bike, and we'll make a separate video of that. And this is just about the daily observation, just an announcement, and let's start with it.
Yeah, give us a details. क्या चल रहा है? बाइक